Hey there, Scott Schultz from PassMasters. Thanks for checking out this video. We're going to give you a glimpse into the course. So if you're thinking about buying this course, you need it. But this is what the inside of the course looks like. You've got videos here for section 1 I'm showing you. And then when you're done with those videos, you go straight into a review exam for section 1. And this is what the exam actually looks like, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or PC. You've got the question up there. And once you get done reading that, then you can decide. You've got 4 different answers, just like the real exam. You pick what you think's correct. Now, once you select what you think's correct, you click this check answer button, and it will turn either red or green. Green's correct, red's incorrect. And then you can click a show explanation button. And listen to this. The acquisition of additional land by means of the natural process of accretion, avulsion, or reliction is broadly defined as correct answer, accession. And this word accession can also mean the addition to the land through natural or human causes. So here we're talking about natural causes, but it also could be the additional land through human causes, such as improvements, such as fixtures installed by a tenant that become part of the real estate. And then here in this particular question, we're relating the term to natural causes. That's what makes our course so great. Audio explanations and, which I'm highlighting here, a written detailed explanation for every single question. So every question, 1,000 of them, you have an audio explanation. You just click to play like an MP3 player. So next question here, read through that, pick whatever you think the correct answer is, and then listen to me. Boy, Darla's got a bunch of nice stuff here. Darla owns a vacation home, primary residence, 2 cars, a boat, and an airplane. When the court issues a judgment against Darla for existing debts, which of the following will be covered by the judgment? So we would have a judgment lien entered here. What's a judgment lien? Is it specific or general? It's general, which means it applies to all of the Darla's property. So all of the property listed, correct answer. It is also involuntary. So a judgment lien is an involuntary general lien. That's what makes our course so incredible. So I'm going to just move really quickly through the remainder of these questions. And every one of our section exams is 20 questions long. Whenever you launch it, different questions, different order. Answers are also mixed, so you don't memorize questions and answers. You get a summary screen when you're done. Tells you your score, how many you took, how many you got right, how many you missed. You can go back to the course, or you can view the score report right after the exam. So you click show questions, and then it'll show you every single question you just took, what answer you selected, what the correct answer was, and also the explanation. And it shows you which ones you got right, thumbs up, which ones you got wrong, thumbs down. Now, when you're done reviewing the summary of the exam, when you go right back into the course, it's going to show you right in your course route exactly how you did last time you took your exam. Sign up now. Let's pass together.